Guess who did their first racing event this weekend? Me, that's who. And the GR Corolla. Where do I even begin? And that's what this video is gonna be about. I'm gonna take you through what I saw, who I saw, what they were doing, and I'm also gonna show you my racing skills. My first ever time racing. I got it all on film, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Radio check is done. Is the grid markers are ready. 96 randomly plastic box that's blocking cars at the start line. Bobby with a 47.9 top time.
Another Subi.
49.6 for Conway.
What's your name, bro?
Patrick.
Patrick? Nice to meet you, Patrick. Hey, good luck, brother.
Hey, man, do you happen to have an extra one of the screws on the side here? I actually realized I lost. I don't know where mine
Yeah, I have a wait, the thing that holds it together?
Yeah, just
yeah,
like
I have a bunch, bro. I'll bring you real quick. Hold on. All right, we have a technical equipment emergency. Buddy in the grid, he's missing a clip that holds a GoPro together. We got to get him his content, so we're gonna get him a little one of those locking pin things. This is why we come with extras. All right. We are. Boom. Let's go give him his stuff. What the That's gotta. What the fuck is that, dude? Do you see that shit? What?
You are so clutch. Thank you so much.
Yeah, dude.
I'll find you after.
Sounds good.
That's Brian. I
want to give you information overlay. We do a lot of braking in the slalom, except one that kind of requires. So don't be afraid to coast. Don't be on it. Okay. Because when you're on it, you're going to carry too much speed and blow through something. But don't be afraid to coast. Feel where you are. Okay. Appreciate it.
Now with a 54.383.
My heart is fucking beating, boy.
Yeah.
That's it. That's your, woo! Let's fucking go, baby! Woo!
That's your time. Now you got to work on that and bring it down. So 56 is not bad. You didn't hit a single cone and you did not DNF. So now you got to whip all the way around and get back in. And he does. Lucas Labrador with a 50.719. Two spots into second. So only a tenth of a second.
Talk about that after your run. Yeah, I am. I'm up like 3 feet. Good, right here. I don't want to get too close because one, they pick up the rocks. Two, I want to see the cone. Like, I want to be right on that cone. I don't know where I'm going right now because I can't see the cone. So let him get out of the way and then scoot up. Okay, now you can pull him. Pull us right up on that cone. Up in that direction. Good. Okay, see where we're going, right? Around that, and then it's essentially just a big, huge, long slalom into a left-hand speed. Look ahead. Nice. Go hard, go hard, go hard. Good. Big right-hander. Look ahead, look ahead, look ahead. Look wide there. Sweeper. Good. Good. Here. Ahead, ahead, ahead. Good. Gas on, gas on, gas on. Good. Outside of these three, outside of all of them, and go hard, go hard, go hard, go hard, go hard. Good run, dude. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Very good run.
52, baby! 52, let's fucking go! Woo!
All right, going up.
Let's go, baby! Let's fucking go!
Good run.
All right, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. You saw me race. You saw me lose. You saw me almost lose control of my damn car. You saw me get real hype and crazy. You saw some cars. And guys, this is what I'm going to be doing. So if you like what you saw, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I have a rally event coming up this coming Saturday, August 16th, I believe. It's just a test and tune event here in Texas at a raceway by Austin. And I'm going to get that all on film. So if you like what you saw, support the boy and subscribe. I catch you on the next one. Peace out.